woke up to a hot and sunny mornings as temperatures will continue to rise across many parts of the country. The heat index is expected to remain high throughout the day, making the weather feel even hotter than the actual temperature. Health officials advise everyone to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water, wear light and comfortable clothes, and avoid prolonged exposure to direct sunlight, especially between late morning and early afternoon. Thus, need to go outside are encouraged to bring umbrellas, wear hats, and apply sunscreen to protect themselves from the intense heat. Get the latest weather update reporting live ang Mamamang that's the news update.
Craving a soft, fluffy, and delicious snack? Choose Monday Mamon.
This is mine now. Wait, what? Where's my mamon? You! Why did you do that? Why did you steal my mamon?
Choose Mamon now for only 12 pesos.
Thank you, Lucky. Excitement filled the arena as fans lined up outside the venue, as early as 4 a.m. to witness the highly anticipated championship game. The Davao Eagles came up strong, scoring the first 12 points of the game, and taking 18 to 12 lead at the end of the first quarter. However, Calabarzon fought back with the outstanding teamwork and solid defense, and consistent scoring to take the control of the game. The heroes of Region 4A completed the remarkable comeback, defeating Davao for the 79 to 62 and claiming the 2025 Palarong Pambansa Secondary Boys Basketball Championship. Back to you in the studios.
The daily habit is sleep early, bumalik ng 8 early. Bumalik ng 8:30.
How much water should the person take?
So minimum is 6 glass and maximum is 10 glass a day.
What is the water to eat fruits and vegetables?
Because fruits gives you vitamins, while vegetable avoids you having cholesterol.
How many hours of sleep should the teacher eat every night?
So the minimum is 6 hours and the maximum is 10 hours every night.
What are some simple ways to strengthen the immune system?
Taking vitamins, especially vitamin C. Vitamin C is the immune system. Eat fruits and vegetables, and sleep, eat, sleep,
How can regular exercise improve our
regular exercise makes you sweat. So when sweating, you release your salt, your gas, your cholesterol. So that limits the body.
What are the first days of eating too much junk food?
Junk food contains preservatives. Preservative cause specifically cancer, diabetes.
Looking for stylish, durable, and reliable bag? Choose Yumani. Perfect for school, work, or travel. Made with high-quality materials to keep your essentials safe and organized. For only $9.99, buy now.
Thank you, Angkor. Good evening, everyone. Here's your weather latest update. After experiencing hot temperatures throughout the day, rain showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop in several areas this evening. Weather authorities advise residents to prepare for possible rainfall, strong winds, and occasional lightning. If you're heading out, don't forget to bring your umbrella or raincoat. Motorists are also reminded to drive carefully as wet roads may reduce visibility and increase the risk of accidents. During thunderstorms, it's safest to stay indoors and avoid open areas or using electrical appliances whenever possible. That's the evening latest.
It's so hot outside. Looking for something refreshing. Try a Charmaine juice. The only drink to cool you down is cold, delicious, and perfect for beating the heat. And the best part, wait, is only 20 pesos. Grab now, Charming Juice today and stay cool and heat.
Girls, are you ready to level up your eyelashes? Introducing JMCY Mascara, the secret to stronger, fuller, and more stunning eyelashes. And here's the basics 2 steps how with to use. Step 1. Curl your lashes. Step 2. Put JMCY Mascara on your lashes. And that's the 2 basic steps how it to use it. No clumping, no smudging, just confident, beautiful eyes with every swipe. And here's the best part. From $3.99 to $129 only. Don't miss the amazing deal. Get yours now!